Okay, this is the north condensing unit. So it's 3 inches off the ground. The disconnect is over to the side. The disconnect still should be sealed. There it is. It's laced up pretty good. And we see here that our maximum breaker is 20 amps. We see here that it's smaller than the other system. Okay, it's only a 2-ton system. And it's 1 year old. Coils are not as dirty because it hasn't had time really. Okay, yeah, it's a little dirty. We can say that. We got the wrong type of insulation. We should have something more robust than this. And then, like the older system, this system's only 1 year old with those Schrader valve caps. Look that up in the dictionary. The refrigerant piping service valve access port caps should be anti-theft, and they're not.